Welcome to qnawire.
For part A, if Maxine and Ramon are in a hot air balloon, they drop a sandbag from the balloon. The height of the sandbag can be modeled by the function -5t squared plus 80. H of t is the height, and it's in meters at time t seconds after it was dropped. So we're going to determine the domain and range of this function. As a function, the domain would be all reals, and the range would be from, if we take a look at a graph of this real quick, -5x squared plus 80, we can see the range is from 0, or from negative infinity, because it'll go down forever, to 80 included. Now graph the function with any restrictions. Let's graph so that x is greater than or equal to 0. So that'd be the right side of the parabola. Now we can determine the equation for the inverse, because now that we've restricted it as x is greater than or equal to 0, then we can invert it by thinking of h of t as a y. And I'm going to think of t as an x just for our inversions here. Switch around x and y, and then subtract 80 to both sides. Divide -5 to both sides, and then square root both sides. That would be your inverse function. And then for part D, is that a function? Yes. With the restriction on H. It is 1-to-1. And therefore invertible.